Welcome to part 3 of Trucking TV's Driver's Day 4 as we take an outing with rescue and recovery driver Stuart Tydeman of DJ Spall Recovery. We're at the Lenwade, Norfolk yard of specialist recycling company EMR, where we're collecting a vehicle with a failed clutch. And the clutch went just before they got the truck onto the weighbridge, so it still has to be weighed and the weight corrected to ensure it's within legal limits. It's also worth remembering that the weight of the cargo is what the invoice is raised on, and this has to tally when the box gets to the other end of its journey, in China in this instance.
So you need to run his engine as well?
I don't need to, but it's just the quickest way of building his air up, because he had no air when we first got here, so we leave it run and build the air up on the unit. Inflates the trailer as well, just saves me a wee bit of time then pumping it off of this old girl, as everything is there. If we have the chance to run it, like we do, we're lucky enough that just the clutch is gone and we're quids in. So,
excellent.
Just going to run some more lines to the trailer and when we're away. So we're all good to go. We're going to run up the top there, turn it round, hopefully run back down here, weigh the container off, as this poor gent hasn't been weighed off yet, and then hopefully make our merry way back to Felixstowe.
And this is where the story gets a bit more complicated, because the weighbridge operation isn't so simple. The weighbridge design means that Stuart has to back and turn repeatedly to get his truck and the towed truck and trailer straight with the raised sides of the bridge. Next, after a discussion with yard manager Alistair, he has to completely unhitch the tow truck from the towed vehicle in order to make sure that the weight they get is as accurate as possible. After the yard get an accurate weight, the load in the trailer has to be reduced by a small amount to make it road legal, and then Stuart can hitch up again.
That's easy, we picked that up twice now, so we should be able to get it to Felixstowe on these.
Oh yeah?
Come on, girl.
Oh God, that's hard, isn't it? Today's job was actually quite difficult, wasn't it, really? Because we didn't really know what we had to face when we came here.
That's the norm. Every day is different. You always get your unexpected challenges. I mean, today not only do we have to keep our customer happy, we also have to keep their customer happy. In this case, they wanted their container weighed, so we had to pick it up twice in effect, which does take up a hell of a lot of time. And it didn't help that it was overweight and he needed to take some stuff off, which took up even more time. But finally we're rolling, we're heading out of Norwich, so hopefully we shouldn't be too long before we're dropping her off.
It's good to be on the road again after our protracted stop north of Norwich. We're now on our way towards the truck's service dealer, Renault in Felixstowe, who have already got the truck booked in for repair.
about the paperwork.
Oh, I see, sorry. I believe it. We've just dropped off our first job of the day, which took us an unconscionable amount of time, and we've just got a new job, so tell us what we're doing next.
We're now off to, well, once I've done my paperwork, we should be off to Chassis Cab at Great Blakenham, pick up a set of keys, then hopefully down to Cable, pick up another unit, run that down to South Mims and swap over with a broken down one. And then back to Chassis Cab.
And then we can go home perhaps?
Possibly, we'll see how the rest of the evening pans out. I hope you bought your dinner.
Off you go.
Join us again in part 4 for our second job of the day. See you soon.